Come on, kids. Let's cross the road by paying attention to the signal.
Awesome! Run!
Mom, do you know which country's flag it is?
Toing!
I don't know, Alex. Can you explain?
Alex, be quiet. I'm gonna tell about that flag.
No. Mom told me to explain about the flag. You be quiet.
No, you shut up.
No, you shut up. Kids. Don't be like this. I will give chance to both of you. First, Alex, what do you know about the flag? Mom, this is the UAE's national flag. And they are celebrating the National Day on 2nd December of every year.
Awesome!
Wow, cool. Now, Anna, can you tell me about the flag?
Mommy, the main theme of the flag's 4 colors is the unity of Arab nations.
Oh, my kids, well done. Okay, kids, let's move on to Dubai Desert Safari.
Mommy, look over there. How beautiful is the camel?
Wow!
Yes, dear, it looks so beautiful.
Mom, can we have a camel ride, please?
No, kids, we don't have that much time. We need to move on to other places.
Oh no!
Hey guys, we are watching Dubai Palm Jumeirah.
Alex, if all these houses submerged in water, what they do? No, Anna. In Dubai, they have designed this Palm Jumeirah to be very safe. These are not affected under any circumstances.
Mom, what is that beautiful building?
That is named as Burj Al Arab. It is one of the tallest hotels in the world and it stands on an artificial island from Jumeirah Beach.
Great.
Hello? Yes, tell me. Dad, do not use mobile phone to talk with friends when out of town with family. Oops.
Oh no!
Sorry. Okay.
Mom, what are we going to do next?
We are going to visit the world famous place in Dubai.
Is it? Really? What is it?
Wait for a while, kiddos.
Okay, Mommy.
Alex and Anna, this is the great Burj Khalifa. This is the tallest building in the world as of now.
Wow, it looks so cool, Dad.
Ha. Yes, dear.
Mommy, look over there. An ice cream cart is on its way. We need some delicious ice cream right now.
Because Dubai is so hot, Mom. We are so tired. Okay, go and get what you want, dears.
It's so yummy, Mom.
Kids, can I have a bite? No, Dad. Honey, come on, dear. Hey, I am just kidding, guys. Let's take a selfie along with this amazing architecture.
Hey, Alex, see, there is an aeroplane.
Oh, it's time to go for another visit. Thanks for joining with us. Bye.